Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix lag in Roblox and increase FPS easy and fast. So how can you do it easy and fast? First thing, go to Roblox and then choose any server. For example, I choose this server right here. It's called Squid Game. So all what you have to do now to fix the lag is go to the top corner, click on Roblox logo and go to settings right here. And then all what you have to do now is make the camera sensitivity as lower as possible and make the graphics quality as lower as possible too, like this, and also make sure to make the graphics mode manual. And now make sure also to turn off the camera inverted. Click resume and then enjoy your game. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the very end. See you later. Thank you so much.